All right, guys, we've built our very basic and very simple website. But if we want to see this website out of this machine, if we want to access this website from some other PC or some mobile, we won't be able to because we haven't hosted this website anywhere else except our local host, our local machine. So you can see here we're seeing 170001. This means localhost. We can use this as well. Localhost 5500. As I've mentioned, this is our port number. Localhost indicates to your local machine IP address 127.0.0.1. This is mine. So if we want to access it from somewhere else other than our own machine, we need to host it somewhere. I'll host it on GitHub. Let's go for GitHub. If you don't have an account, you can use sign up to use GitHub. Enter your email. Let's say I do just 48 at gmail.com. Let's create a password and then you will be able to have one. I don't want to open an account, so I won't be doing it. But you can go ahead and open your account and then you can log in using this. So we've logged in GitHub. Let's go for new repository. Let's name this first HTML project. This is our first HTML project, very basic stuff, nothing too fancy. And it's true, it's there. Here we have nothing too fancy. So let's just add a readme.file. Readme.md. Readme file is for instructions to run your code on other people's local machine. When you write more advanced code, people will be cloning your repository on their local machine and run it. So then you'll need some instruction here how to run it. Let them know a bit more about your project. So we'll add a readme file, but we won't be writing much there anyway because it's very simple project and very basic stuff. So let's edit the readme file just in case. Our first HTML project, and let's go for double hash. Is our HTML project? There is stuff, not stuff. Yes, let's commit. Okay, so now we need to host our code. Let's upload files. Create add file, upload file, and then we can choose our files. We can choose all of them and then click open. All right, so yes, we've included all 4 HTML files. We need to type a commit message here. Let's go with first commit for a project. Let's add some more description. Very basic HTML project. All right, we'll commit the changes. Okay, the files have been uploaded here. Now we can go to settings, pages. So whatever branch you select here, it will be deployed on the web. So branch, we'll talk about branching and Git later on. That's not our main concern now. Let's just host the page here. So I've hosted the page. It will take some time to create the web page for us. Let's wait a bit. It's very basic stuff. We will be building a bit better project later on, but now let's just create this very basic project and host it on the internet so we can feel good that we have something of our own on the internet, which is very cool, I think. I did host my first project a long time ago, like 2 years ago, I think. It's I think one of my most ugliest project, but it felt good because I have something on the internet. You see our GitHub pages. Your site is live at Asha Chaudhary first HTML project. You can see the page here, and now if we access this URL, we can open it anywhere. So this I've opened it here, but it doesn't prove much anything yet because in my local host I can open this on the incognito mode as well. I've disposed the server right now. Server is now offline, but still we can see our website because it is being hosted on the GitHub, which is keeping our files there and hosting our website. For that reason, they will add their name here, ashachaudhary.github.io. You can't just get your custom domain. This is called domain. You need to buy that if you want to host for your custom domain, whatever is your domain that you want. But if you want one for free, you will have to host in GitHub or Netlify or some other place, but they will put their name here. But it's fine. We just need to get our project going for now. Oh, okay. All right. So, oh, I understand. So you see the URL. We have first HTML project, but if I click on about us, it's taking us to about.html. We need to fix this. We can fix it right here. In code, we can go for index.html and then change our routes a little bit. Let's add this part here as well. Home will be this. Because they're rerouting us to a wrong page, we need to include this here because they included it here. Let's give a bit time to upgrade. They need some time to update the things we just did. GitHub is setting up job, building. This is very basic stuff, so build doesn't matter as much, but still they will, yeah, complete job. The routing is done now, I think. Okay, it's not done yet. Oh yeah, report build stats, then deploy. GitHub needs some time to do this thing because they checks a lot of stuff. When you build a real world web page, yeah, deploying is done. Let's go. Yeah, now it's working. About us, yes. So I hope you understood what happened there. So they've basically added, okay. Oh, I need to include first HTML project in the, yeah. All right, let's do that as well. I understand what happened. Hope you understood as well. So what happened is basically I was using the root route, but they're not using the root route. So if we were to go in the root route, this is our root route, but they added our first HTML as well, the tag first HTML project, which is the name here. They've added that as well. So we need to just go here. This is our root page now. That is not our root page. This is our root page. So we need to host everything accordingly. Let's update everywhere. And making mistakes is great. Making mistakes is progress. You'll see a lot of programming meme as well. where they mock about these things. Making mistakes is really great. You can learn from your mistakes a lot. I've certainly learned a lot from my mistakes. So I did update everything, but they might need some time to process it. Yeah, they do need some time. Okay, let's wait for it a little bit. Let's double check everything. So we are not rerouting to root just like that, but we are doing to first HTML project, which is the project name. This is our root page now. I hope you understood this thing, but if you didn't, you can let me know in the comments and I'll try to explain it more to you. Okay, so everything is done. So let's go. About us, go back to homepage. Why? About us, let's go to about.html. I did add it. What's wrong? Slash first HTML project, first HTML project. I think I'm doing it right, but I don't know what went wrong. Okay. So this is a bit confusing. Maybe I need to add index.html as well. Let's try that. Which checks were not successful. Okay, we've actually hosted our website, which was our main goal. There are some routing issues here, but I'm not sure what's wrong. We need to go here. First HTML project. This is our root. So I did add that part slash first HTML project. So it should have rerouted us there, but it's not for some reason. I don't know why. Let's try this. If it doesn't work, I'll just give up. Maybe I'll do it some other time. This is not a big deal, but yeah, we did host our first website regardless. There are some issues with the routing. It's fine though. We have hosted our first website, which is more important, I think. All right, see you guys in the next video, and I'll try to fix this as well, maybe later some other time. All right, thank you guys. See you in the next video.